Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, and today we're taking a look at another Bitcoin test. This one is from a tweet from Documenting Bitcoin, and we're going to take a look at some kids buying McDonald's with Bitcoin and see how it goes. So there's been this idea that Bitcoin is slow and inefficient, but there has been a lot of improvements over the years, especially as of recently. So we want to take a look at like how easy it is, the speed, and things like that. So let's check this out. We got two kids ordering McDonald's. Looks like they're selecting some meals on a menu. I'm not sure what country this is. I don't think it's in the US. We can see 170,000 sats. So sats is just the smallest fraction of a Bitcoin. So they're going to scan the QR code for the payment. You can see there it's about $30.79. The kid presses the button and it's sent. That quick, less than a few seconds, probably 1 or 2 seconds. The order's in, there's their order number, the receipt's printed, and they're good to go. So that was actually a super quick and efficient transaction. We'll take a look again. They're going to scan the QR code for the payment. It's going to give the details. They press send in literally 1 second. And the money's sent, it's processing, and their order's out, it's ready. Good to go. They got the receipt. So that was actually super impressive. It's interesting to see how people around the world are starting to use Bitcoin. These kids can understand it and do it. It's fast, very low transaction fees. They're likely using Bitcoin Lightning Network here. So the transaction fee for this is going to be like 0 or 1 cent. So there you have it, my reaction to some kids using Bitcoin to pay for their McDonald's. Check out my previous video where I kind of talked about how this could be the future. I also have hundreds of tutorials and experiments for this stuff on my channel, so check that out as well. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.